Let me show you how you can close the light on the iPhone. So of course, the iPhone has the flashlight, which you can also use as a torch next to your cameras on the back, and you can enable it, for example, by swiping down to access the control center and clicking on the flashlight in here. So as you can see, it is currently active and turned on. And to close it or to stop it from being active, you can as well just go in here and disable it like that. Or if it's turned on, you can see that in the dynamic island at the top, I have the control for the torch, for the light in here. So I can hold down on it and then dial it down to 0. And now it is turned off. As you can see, it is no longer shining on it from the back of the device. So that's like another way you can turn it off, right? So yeah, more ways, more controls. For example, on my device or on the devices which have the action button on the side, like this is the iPhone 16e. You can see that we have the volume up and volume down, but also the action button. And on one of my devices, I use the action button. So when I hold down on it, it enables or disables the flash. And that's also very easy to set up. Like if you want to use it this way, you can also do it. You just go to settings and find the action button section, and you decided that it's going to control the flashlight and not something else, right? So you can also use that button to control the light on your device. As you can see, so many ways you can control it, but I would really love to hear your feedback below. Definitely let me know about your thoughts in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos and explanations like this one.